And the final flaw LeCun points to is planning. He uses a really simple example. If you tell yourself, I need to be in Paris tomorrow, your brain instantly starts planning. It breaks that big goal down into smaller steps. Book a flight, pack a suitcase, get a ride to the airport. LLMs just can't do that. They can't set an abstract goal and then map out the concrete steps to achieve it. All they can do is generate the next word.
Okay, so LeCun isn't just pointing out problems. He's got a solution. And this is where his vision gets really exciting. He calls it building a world model.
So what on earth is a world model? Well, the whole idea is inspired by how our own brains seem to work. It's an AI that builds its own internal simulation of reality. It learns intuitive physics, kind of like how a baby learns that if you let go of a toy, it's going to fall. This internal model lets the AI run what-if scenarios in its head, so it can predict what might happen next and plan its actions.
So an AI based on a world model would learn in a totally different way. First, it would just watch the world, mostly through video, not text. From that observation, it builds its internal understanding of how things work. Then it can use that model to predict the future. If I do this, then that will happen. And finally, it can use those predictions to actually plan out a sequence of actions to get something done. It's a much more active and honestly a much more intelligent approach.
And this, right here, brings us to the fundamental clash at the heart of this whole debate. It is a battle between two completely different goals for AI, predicting the next word versus predicting the future of the world itself.
This slide really puts it all in perspective. On one side, you have large language models. Their entire job, their whole reason for being, is to predict the next word in a sentence. It's a text-in, text-out system. But on the other side, you have this world model AI. Its goal is so much bigger, so much more ambitious, to predict the next state of the world based on what it does. One is a master of language, the other wants to be a master of reality.